So is that the head in the center and the body to the left?
This is the head right
Yeah.
there, heart's there.
Oh, okay, body, yeah.
Yeah, body, the chest, the abdomen area. See little arm buds here to here. The legs are down here at the bottom, down here, and over here. There's one of the thumbs, and that's the other leg right there. But and that's the face. You can see the chin and bone above. Eye sockets there and there. Sort of get a picture of them right there and there.
Hey, cheese.
They kind of look like little babies. Arms and hands are up here by the head.
Wow. Like all over the place from there, isn't it?
Yep.
You were in so much trouble in another month or two.
Do what?
Moving around.
But only one baby.
Oh, no twins?
Nope. No twins. That is actually a good thing, because twins are trouble. Can be.
Cool.
Drop the head right here.